Let's learn and sing, full. Let's learn and sing the letters and their sounds. Sing along. Let's make some sounds. A is for alligator, alligator, alligator. B is for banana, banana. C is for caterpillar, caterpillar, caterpillar. D is for doggy, doggy. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. H is for horse, horse. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for mommy, mommy. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus. P is for puppy, puppy. Q is for queen, queen. R is for run. S is for sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for run. U is for water, water. X is for fox, fox. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we've sung from A to Z.